In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for e-commerce category ideas, fast and easy. Let's dive straight in by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends and hit Enter. When the search results appear, click on the first link you see. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage where we'll begin our exploration. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button, typically found at the top of the page, and click on it. This is where the real magic happens. Google Trends allows you to uncover the latest trends by showing what topics are currently gaining interest. Now it's time to brainstorm some broad product themes. This is your chance to get creative. Consider categories like home decor, fitness equipment, pet supplies, beauty products, or outdoor gear. Enter each of these themes individually into the search bar one by one. After entering a theme, make sure to hit Enter to generate the data. But we don't stop there. Next, we need to set some filters to narrow down the information. For location, select your specific city, state, or even just the region that matches where you're planning to sell. For the time range, using the last 12 months, last 12 months gives you an overview of consistent demand, while selecting the last 30 or 90 days can help you catch rising trends. Choose the category such as health or medical health if you want to filter out unrelated results. Finally, under search type, web search is the most common focus, though news search might uncover currently trending topics. With our settings established, it's time to compare multiple categories. Hit the plus compare button to test between 2 to 5 different e-commerce categories side by side. This can help identify which categories have the strongest and most consistent demand over time. Keep an eye out for upward trends and focus on those rather than temporary spikes. Next, we're going to examine the interest over time section. A steady or upward trend is a positive sign, while a sharp decline might be a category to avoid. Apply the past 12 months or even 5-year filter to discern seasonal versus long-term demand. For example, if home office furniture is climbing and beanbag chairs remain flat, the former may hold more potential. Scrolling further, look into related topics and queries. Here you'll find what related categories and subcategories are gaining traction. Keep an eye on the rising items, as they often indicate emerging trends that have great potential. Finally, don't forget to save and organize your findings. Document the category names, the trend lines, and any top subtopics or queries. This data will be invaluable when structuring your e-commerce store around these high-demand categories. Before you wrap up, always remember to note your observations and insights for future reference. And that's how you can effectively use Google Trends to discover e-commerce category ideas quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your e-commerce endeavors.